Hello. This is Sue. I am 24 years old. I have an elder sister. Her name is Shazia. My sister is so pretty and humble. She is a blessing to me. Shazia has always been there for me, like a guiding light in the darkest of nights. Growing up, she was not just a sister, she was my confidant, my mentor, and my best friend. We shared secrets, dreams, and countless giggles. Shazia has this radiant smile that could brighten anyone's day. Her kindness knows no bounds. Whenever I felt down or lost, she was there with open arms, ready to comfort and uplift me. She has this knack for making everything seem all right, even when the world feels like it's falling apart. Despite being older, Shazia never once treated me like a child. She always respected my opinions and encouraged me to pursue my passions. Whether it was academics, sports, or hobbies, she cheered me on every step of the way. One of my fondest memories with Shazia was when we went on a trip to the countryside. It was just the two of us, surrounded by lush greenery and the soothing melody of chirping birds. We spent the day exploring, laughing, and making memories that would last a lifetime. That day reinforced the bond between us, reminding me of the special connection we shared. As we grew older, our lives took different paths. Shazia pursued her career while I focused on my studies. Despite the distance, our bond remained unbreakable. We would catch up over phone calls, sharing stories of our triumphs and challenges. Now, as I navigate through the complexities of adulthood, I realize just how lucky I am to have Shazia by my side. She continues to inspire me with her resilience, compassion, and unwavering support. My sister is not just a sibling, she is my pillar of strength, my guiding star, and my forever hero. And for that, I am eternally grateful.